In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily copy a YouTube video link on your mobile phone. So without wasting much time, let's get started with the video. So as you can see, let's say I want to copy the link of this video right over here. I can simply, let's say, click on it. And the simplest way you can easily copy the link of this video is by simply clicking on the share option. Then once you do that, you're just going to be given a couple of share options. You can easily click on the copy link option, and that link will be successfully copied to your clipboard. And to show you that this actually works, I'm just going to go over to my notepad right over here. And for example, if I paste this link in and then click on it, it's then going to simply take me back to this video right over here. A simple method of copying this link without opening the video is by clicking on the three dots right over here and then clicking on the share option and then copy link once more. And as you can see, I've successfully copied the link of that particular video. So that's how I can easily copy a link or get a link of a particular video on YouTube. So if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.